Hello guys, today in this video I'll be talking about the instrument which is commonly used in oculoplastic cleaning and oculoplastic surgeries, and which is the lacrimal probe. And the commonest one is we use in our clinic is Bowman's probe. The other probes are Clark probes. They are in different sizes and all, but the probe we use is the Bowman's probe, and the material is the stainless steel, which is good because it is resistant to corrosion. It is a rigid structure which gives us advantage in gliding through the lacrimal drainage system, and also it is autoclavable. And thing is that this probe is used in oculoplastic clinic to diagnose lacrimal drainage obstruction. So basically, if there's a nasolacrimal duct obstruction, we have to differentiate it from other obstructions like canalicular obstruction, common canalicular obstruction. So when we insert this probe, we can make out this probe usually has good tactile feedback. So we can diagnose whether it is a soft stop or a hard stop. If it is hard stop, then if there is obstruction, usually the diagnosis goes towards the nasolacrimal duct obstruction. And if it is soft stop, we have to differentiate it. We can differentiate from, so we can rule out nasolacrimal duct obstruction. It can be a canalicular obstruction or a common canalicular obstruction according to the distance of the obstruction. So this one is indicated in diagnosis, and in oculoplastic surgeries and all, like in congenital nasolacrimal duct obstruction, this one is used for the procedure called as probing. So probing in children, we can use sizes. So this comes in sizes. So the numerical sizes are there. So we have we have sizes designated as 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1, 0 means usually 0.9 in Bowman's calibration. If it is size 1, then it's 1.1 millimeters. And according to that, we use in infants, like if the child is more than 1 year, probe which is 0 or which is 1 is used in that children. And also this probe is used in DCR surgeries to locate identify the sac in DCR surgeries, in DCT surgeries, dacrocystectomy surgeries, to identify the sac. And also we can use the bigger probes, especially if we see some fibrosis, we enlarge the osteum by bigger probes. So there are many uses in this one, like when you are doing an excision of a mass near the punctum, we always make sure we put this probe inside the punctum and make sure it's not damaged. So there are other good uses, but most common uses are the probing for in surgical procedures, and in our clinics for diagnosis, to differentiate between nasolacrimal duct obstruction and other obstructions like canalicular obstruction or common canalicular obstructions. Thank you.